Reduce time to market for high-quality molded parts. Quickly and easily define shape details using native Inventor surfaces or by incorporating exterior surface models designed in Autodesk Alias Auto Studio software or other applications. The associative relationship between the Autodesk Alias family of products and Inventor reduces time to market by allowing engineers to start detailed designs earlier and still incorporate changes from the industrial design team. Make sure that molded parts meet aesthetic guidelines for the position of parting lines while supporting cost-effective manufacturing requirements. Divide the 3D design to define each of the molded parts using tools to identify silhouette curves for optimum parting plane geometry and multi-body operations that make it easy to split the part into separate bodies. Finish the design in less time using the technical plastic features in Autodesk Inventor. With built-in support for pull direction and draft angle, Inventor plastic features generate multiple elements for molded plastic parts in a single feature. Add grills, bosses, lips, rests, and snap fit fittings to define manufacturing-ready parts, using far fewer steps than traditional modeling approaches. Using the geometric analysis tools in Inventor to validate internal part geometry and the mold flow analysis capabilities in Inventor tooling, plastic part designers can optimize plastic part designs during the design phase and reduce their exposure to costly tooling changes.